Welcome to a video on the remainder and factor theorem. So firstly, the remainder theorem. When we want to find a remainder when dividing by a polynomial, say x minus a, we substitute in x equals a into the polynomial. That gives us the remainder. So no longer do we have to use long division. So we're going to look at one where we're going to divide x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 and find the remainder by substituting in for something like x minus 1, x plus 2 and 2x minus 1. So for the first one, when dividing by x minus 1, we substitute in p of 1, so that's like letting x minus 1 equal 0, so we sub in 1 and we get 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 squared plus 5 lots of 1 minus 2. And the remainder, or the answer is 1, so therefore the remainder is 1. For the second one, when dividing by x plus 2, so we're going to substitute in minus 2. So minus 2 cubed, minus 3 times minus 2 squared, plus 5 times minus 2, minus the 2 on the end. That gives us minus 32, so the remainder, when dividing by x plus 2, is minus 32. For 2x minus 1, we let 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So we add the 1, divide by 2. So we're substituting x equals a half in. So we do a half cubed minus 3 times a half squared plus 5 times a half minus 2. And we get minus 1/8. So therefore the remainder when dividing by 2x minus 1 is minus 1/8. For the factor theorem, if you substitute x equals a into p of x and you get 0 as a result, then that means you have a factor. So how do you decide which values you substitute? Well, the first thing is you start with the factors of the constant term. So for example, if the constant's 6, you can try 1 and minus 1, 2 and minus 2, 3 and minus 3, 6 and minus 6. You shouldn't have to try all the values. Once you have a factor, go straight ahead and use long division. So we're going to factorise x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. So, factors of 12, we're going to start with 1 and minus 1. Obviously we can do 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and all the negatives of those. But let's just start with 1 and minus 1. Start simple. So when you substitute 1 in, you get minus 12. When you substitute minus 1 in, you get minus 6. So neither of those are factors, so let's move on. Let's try 2. When you substitute 2 in, you get 0. That means that x minus 2 is a factor. So now we use long division to find the other factors. And here's using x minus 2. So you can see, using the method we learnt yesterday, how x minus 2 becomes a factor and we get x squared plus 5x plus 6. That's our other bracket. And then for when we get p of x equals to x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12, our multiples are x minus 2 and x squared plus 5x plus 6. And then we can factorise x squared plus 5x plus 6 using PSF to get two more brackets, x plus 3x plus 2. Thank you.